Ага, всем привет. Hello from Canada. Hello guys. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, give me like and write the nice comments. I'm doing sport activity all my life. Right now I came back. I'm ready to fight for better life. Don't ever go to Canada. It's a terrible country. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Here's a lot of motivation and fantastic amazing videos. My name is Alex. I'm traveling 10 years around the world. Please make the bell in the black color, give me like and write me some nice comments and share this video with your friends. Cheers. I wish you to have a nice day. Thank you for watching. See you at the end of the world.